Hello guys, today in this video I will going to show you the Realtor hubs, that is the real estate marketplace. In this actually you as a agency, as a real estate agency, you can create your own account, and then you can manage your properties, you can manage your agents, and then whatever the customers are interested with your property, those will be your customers. So you can manage those customers, you can chat with those customers. So there are many functionalities which you can manage with Realtor Hub. So rather than going and developing your own real estate website for your own agency, investing money in developing that website and then purchasing the hosting and all those things, with Realtor Hub you are getting many functionalities, and it is a keep on growing platform. So every day we do a research in the market, we analyze what are the new things that real estate industry is getting implemented, and those things we will be implementing on Realtor Hubs. So it is very good for you to join the Realtor Hub as an agency and manage your all the properties and agents and customers on our platform. So basically, this platform is done in Laravel PHP Framework. Laravel is very strong PHP framework. It is not a core PHP kind of things. Database is MySql, and we have many third-party integrations. Like for subscription, we have used Stripe, which is a most trusted payment gateway. Then we have used Google Map APIs to get the accurate data of the addresses and all those things. We have used Gmail as a SMTP service so that all your emails will be received to you on time. We have used Firebase for a web notification, so you will get runtime web-based notifications. The Google Analytics and Google Search Console is integrated. We have used Amazon S3 bucket to store your properties, videos and images. So that is a CDN CDN network, you can say. So those things. So as those medias are stored onto that particular on S3 bucket, so those will going to load very fast in your side. Now, as a features point of view, we have an admin, we have an agency, agent, and customer. So basically, under admin, the agency is there, and under agency, the agents and customers are there. But you being an agency, no one will going to know that okay, actually you are under into something or something like that. So this is our front end website. On our front end website, we have provided you all the informations like how many agencies are registered with us, agents and live properties, and all those things. What are the benefits of work? What are the benefits of us getting associated with Realtor Hubs? Then we are having a different pricing models. Then whatever the real estate industry news is there, we are keep on posting them so that you are aware about if there is any new norms are coming, new rules and regulation is coming. And here you can find out our terms and condition, privacy policy, FAQ, contact us page. Now from here you can sign up as an agency. When you are going to sign up, you need to fill up this form. Then in the next step you need to verify your email ID, and then in the next step you need to select your subscription plan, and by Stripe payment gateway you can get activated to whatever the subscription is good for you. Initially we are providing you 30 days free trial, so you can check it out, and then if you are satisfied you can move ahead. If you are not satisfied, you let us know. If there is anything we can improve, we will going to do. And if there is something you don't like or we can't do it, we will let you know that on exactly what time duration we can do those functionality. Now, as an agency, I will going to log in and I will show you what are the different functionalities are there. This is I'm login as an agency, and here I'm login as an admin. So in the admin side, you can see this is very impressive dashboard is there. We are showing all the counters, we are showing the graph, whatever the revenues are getting from the subscription, we are showing the new agency getting registered on our platform. Now, from here, actually, if you go to the subscription master, from here you can create your subscription, whatever the subscription you want to keep active for the agency. Whatever subscription you create here, that subscription will automatically going to create on the Stripe, and from the next time you can see how many agencies are registered with that subscription. Then if you go to transaction master, you can see the transactions performed. This is a ID that we are taking from the Stripe. So you can see all the different type of After that, we have a email template. So whatever the emails are going, or for those emails, you can change the content, you can change, update the text and update the subject, all those things from admin master only. Then under master, we have a CMS page and FAQ page. So from here, you can maintain your CMS page content and FAQ page content. Then we have a blog master. Here you can manage the blog related things. Then we have other settings, like for the home page, we have all the settings getting managed from here: about us, contact us, blog, then FAQ, and then general settings are there. Now, I go to general settings. Now, in the general setting, you can change the admin logo. You can update the SEO things. You can update the design things, like if you want to change the font family, if you want to change the button color, text, anything like this. If you want to change the header and footer color. So all these things you can manage from here. From here, we are managing the Google API and for the email, whatever the information we are using, we can manage it from this particular section. Now, moving forward. So what I have explained you, as you can see in the admin, we have a general setting, we have a subscription master, we have a transaction master. Then as an agency, you can create your account with a Stripe subscription. Now, once you have created your account, you can go to my profile, and from here you can manage your profile. Under your profile, you can manage like on which email ID you want to get an leads email, your phone number, your logo, your agency slug, and all these things are getting managed from here. Now you can do a change password from here. If you want to deactivate your account, you can deactivate your account from here. After that, for your website, like if you click on visit website, then in the front end side, how exactly your website will going to look, that will going to show you here. Now, regarding these website settings, you can go to settings section, and here you have a about agency section. So from here you can manage the about agency page content. If you go to design setting, from here you can change the font family and many other things. Like let's say on the property page, if you want to show property on the right side and map on the left hand side, then you can change it. If you want to show 2 properties in a row or 3 properties in a row, then you can simply update from here. Even you can have your customized map pin. This map pin we are talking about, this one. So even you can change that from here. If you go to contact and chatting, then on the property detail page, we have a contact section. So you can update the contact section heading from here. You can change the background of that particular section. Then we have a functionality where if someone is there on your property for more than 30 seconds or more than 1 minute, then the chat will automatically going to initiate, so that actually the agent and agency can be notified. Then you have a SEO settings here. So and then if you go to my subscription, from here you can see your active subscription. You can see next on what date you will be charged and how much amount you will be getting charged. You can see your transaction histories from here. You can update the payment settings from here. You can see we are a Stripe. This is the payment gateway is provided from the Stripe, so it is 100% secure. After that, once you have set up your account, then you go to my agents, and then from here if you click on add new agent, from here you can add a new agent. Whatever the agent email ID you are getting entered, that agent will get an email, and from there agent can set up their profile. Once the agent has set up the profile, you can see this is I'm login as an agent. So agent can even manage their profile. They can update their own information. They can do the change password and those things. Manage your profile, then you can do other setting things. Now coming to next module, that is properties. So from here you can add a property. You can click on add new property. Then we are providing many options in the property, like we are providing a different property type options. Those you can manage from here. So you can see you can add a property for sale or for rent, and you can add all different type of properties here. You can select your agent, then then you go to the next step. Then you can update the other details, and then address, and then images and video, all the SEO settings. So whatever the property you have, you can manage it from here. So whatever the properties you will going to add, whatever the agent you are selecting, that agent will going to see his or her property in my property section. And then whatever the leads are getting created for that particular property, how exactly the leads is getting created. If you go to a property detail page, then on the property detail page, we have a contact us section here. So if someone fill up this contact us section, then you will be getting that particular information into your my leads section. Then in the agency side, we are showing all the leads of all the agents of all the properties. Now, with your lead, you can see the message. You can update your note here. Then you can change the status, whether this is a spam or whether this is a taken care or something like that. Even you can filter out your leads by the address filter. Then in the agent side also, we are having a customized dashboard. Their agent can see its related informations and stats. Then in the admin side, we do have a agencies master. Under agencies master, whatever the agencies are registered with your platform, if you click on that particular agency, then if you go to any agency detail page, you can see all the details of that agency. You can see all the properties those are added by that agency. You can see the active subscription. You can see the different transactions performed from that agency. You can see the agents registered with that agents associated with that agency. You can see the customers associated with that agency. If you go to property master, you can see all the all different type of properties added in this platform by all different agencies. So all these things are getting display here. Now moving forward, so I have shown you how exactly we are having the agencies master in the admin side. We are having an interactive dashboard. Then we are having one more thing is there, that is actually properties master is there, as I have shown you. Now as an agency side, I have shown you how exactly you can manage your custom design, you can manage your subscription. Agent master is there, property master is there. And next is actually, if you see the chat icon here, if you click on the chat icon, then you can see, being an agency, you can see all the chat thread between your agents and customer. Being an agent, you can only see the chat for your property, only for your threads. So this is how you can see the chat. You can see here chat. You can send a text message. You can send an image into the chat, and then on the real time basis, the agent or whatever the customer is there, they will get notified about that. If that agent or if that customer, agency or agent is not logged into the system, then they will get notified on the email that there is a new message in the particular chat thread. So this is how the chat module is working in the agency side, in the agent side, and in the customer side. I am going to show you how the customer is creating their account. Now after that, we have a very good feature here. So if you go to send email section, from here you can see all the from here you can send two types of email. One is for general email, one is for send a favorite email. So if you click on the general email, you can see all the customer accounts registered with your agency, and you can see all the property those you have posted here. Now you can select the number, you can select the customer, you can select the properties, and then you can add your note, and then you can send. Then all these customers will be get notified. They will get an email. In that email, they will get these two properties detail, and you can add your note. So if they are still interested, or they are interested, then they will going to definitely be in touch with you. So this is the first thing. Second thing is, if you click on the favorite, then it will going to show you all the customers which has any property as a favorite. So you can see what property they have marked as a favorite, and then if you want to add a note, you can send an email also. And for all the activities those are getting performed on your platform, you are getting real-time notifications in being an agency or being an agent or being a customer. In admin side also, we are notifying for each and every activity. So this is how I have shown you how send email functionality is working in the agency side and in the agent side. Then I have shown you the lead master. Now I'm showing you how exactly your website will going to look like. So this is I will going to open that into the. So as an agency, you have your front end website that is only for you only. Like you have your own logo. If you go to about us, You will have your own about us page with your own about us information. Then if you go to search property, then from here actually you can search the property, and these are only your property. There is no other agency property when going to display here. All different type of filters are there. If someone click on the sign up, then as a customer they can sign up with your agency, and this is only your customer. Those information will only be shared with you. There is no other agency can see these information. So as a customer, if they will going to log into your platform, so if as a customer, if they log into your platform, then they can mark any property as favorite. If they are interested to that particular property, they can simply go to that this particular section. They can submit a contact form, or if they click on this one, they can initiate a chat with this agent also. So and then they are also having their own chat threads are there. They are getting notified for any new message that is coming to them. So this is how the customer can create their account. They can manage their profile. They can search property. They can filter it out. They can go to property detail page. They can, if they want to share a property, they can do. They can chat with agent. They can mark that property as a favorite. They can, whatever the properties those they have marked as a favorite, they can view those property into the map view versus the list view. They can see where exactly those properties are there. So this is how they are working. Then inquiry about they can do an inquiry about the property. So all these things are there. This is very huge platform. We are keep on working on it. Next, in the future, we have a plan where actually we will be integrating the MLS or IDX, so that we will be doing a functionality where actually you can integrate your own MLS or IDX. You can connect your own domain to your website. You can even, we will be having your own home page like we are having for our own website realtorhubs.com. Your customers can do save searches, and then whenever there is a new property in that saved searches, then they will get notified for that. On the property detail page, we will be integrating more informations like a street view of that property, 3D tour of that property, then brochure, and then maybe a floor plan, and many other things we will be integrating in future. Even we will be integrating on agency side where actually someone can find the agents. So there are many future plans are there for the realtor hubs. Thank you.